Discovering the profound benefits of loving-kindness meditation. Welcome to this video, where we explore the profound practice of loving-kindness meditation and its transformative benefits. Loving-kindness meditation is a powerful technique that allows us to cultivate love, compassion, and goodwill towards ourselves and all beings. During this practice, find a quiet and comfortable space to sit. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and bring your attention to your heart center. Begin by directing loving kindness towards yourself, repeating the following phrases silently or aloud. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from suffering. May I live with love and compassion. Once you've cultivated feelings of loving-kindness towards yourself, gradually expand your focus to include loved ones, friends, acquaintances, and even those who challenge you. Repeat the phrases, imagining each person surrounded by love and well-being. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be free from suffering. May you live with love and compassion. Loving-kindness meditation has a profound impact on our life. It allows us to cultivate empathy, forgiveness, and a deep sense of connection with others. It can transform our relationships and how we interact with the world. The benefits of loving-kindness meditation extend beyond ourselves. As we develop loving-kindness, we naturally radiate compassion and goodwill towards others. This can lead to more harmonious relationships, improved communication, and a sense of unity and interconnectedness with all beings. The practice of loving-kindness meditation helps to dissolve feelings of anger, resentment, and judgment. It opens our hearts and cultivates a mindset of acceptance, kindness, and forgiveness. It allows us to see the inherent goodness in ourselves and others. The practice of loving-kindness is not limited to meditation sessions. It can be integrated into our daily lives. By bringing mindful awareness to our interactions, we can extend kindness, empathy, and compassion to everyone we encounter. Through loving-kindness, we can experience a profound shift in our perspective. It helps us become more patient, understanding, and accepting of others. It also deepens our sense of gratitude and brings greater joy and happiness into our life. As you embark on your journey of loving-kindness meditation, remember that the benefits are not only for yourself but for the world around you. By cultivating love and compassion within, you contribute to creating a more compassionate and harmonious world for all beings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.